So in this video, I'm going to show you if you've got an offer or a free trial or a blog post or podcast, anything that you want to share and make it go viral, how you can do that within Messenger. So I've got some examples here that I've created in Canva. So you've got maybe a Black Friday offer, or you're a restaurant or a cafe and you've got a 2-for-1 offer. Maybe you're raising some money, fundraising for charity. You could have that as a share card within Messenger, a free trial for the gym, personal training session, podcast, your blog post, free yoga class, whatever you want it to be, you can do. So let's go into ManyChat, and within ManyChat, you're going to create a share card. I'm going to click on card, and then you're going to add the image of whichever offer you're going for. Okay, so you've got your Black Friday offer in here, and above that we just want a bit of text. I'm just going to shove that up top. Okay, and this will be the at the end of a flow that somebody's gone. Your customer A has gone through your flow to receive this offer, and this is the message that you want to give them once they get to the end of the flow. Okay, so we just add this here. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you, I'm sure you have some friends that are going to love this offer too. Click share under this image below to share this offer with your friends, okay? And then this is what the friend is going to receive within Messenger. So we can add a title, 50% off for Black Friday. And then we can add some instruction below. So save me typing it all out again. So if we put here first name, there we go, and then the rest of the text. So I'm the friend, and my friend's name will be here, okay? And they thought you would love this amazing offer. So if you have the friend's name in here, it'll just make it more viable. They don't think it's some stranger that's sending them something. It's actually come from one of their friends. And then you want to add a link. You want to put the a link for this card. So when they click on this card, it's going to take them wherever you want it to take them to. So if you want to take them back to the original flow, so the original flow that the original person went through, then you can just create a ref URL link to this flow, and you could add that here. You could add a landing page link. Wherever you want them to go to, you can add the link in here. Friend clicks on this, it's going to take them straight there. And then you want to add a button, and you're going to have share card. All right, and click done. And then you want to add another button, and this will be the actual call to action as well. So if we put get offer, and then we can click on open website and add the link again. So basically, when the friend gets the offer, they've got the opportunity of either just clicking on the card and clicking get offer here, and it's going to give them the offer, and then they can share that again by clicking on the share button. So there you have it. That's how you create your share card, and you can use it for absolutely anything you want. So say offers, free trials. Maybe you've got a group that you want to get people into, and you've created a flow for that, and then you want to get them to share that with your friends. This is just a great way of getting whatever you've got, any content you've got, out there, and make it go viral. Okay, there you go. Bye for now.